Looking for the best USB-C charger for your MacBook? Look no further. Today, we're diving deep into the features of the Basickaws 120W USB-C fast charger, the ultimate power solution for your MacBook Pro and MacBook Air.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring what makes the Basickaws 120W USB-C fast charger stand out as the best MacBook charger on the market. Let's kick things off with its lightning-fast charging capabilities. With an impressive 120W output, this charger can fully juice up most laptops in just over an hour and charge smartphones up to 80% in a mere 18 minutes. And the best part?
It's not just for MacBooks. This charger is compatible with a wide range of devices.
From MacBook Pro and MacBook Air to iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy, and virtually any USB-C device you own.
Safety and durability are paramount, and Basickaws delivers. With built-in protection against overcurrent, short circuit, overheating, and overvoltage, you can charge with peace of mind. Plus, its USB-C to C cable has undergone rigorous testing, ensuring longevity and reliability. Portability meets functionality with its foldable design, perfect for travel and on-the-go charging.
And with a generous 6.6 feet cable length, you'll have the flexibility to charge from anywhere, whether you're at your desk or lounging in bed. Now, here's the deal.
We're committed to bringing you the best product insights. If you're loving what you're seeing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech.
And that wraps up our deep dive into the Basickaws 120W USB-C fast charger.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay charged and stay curious.